Did you know that space isn't completely silent? While it might seem empty, scientists have discovered that celestial bodies create sound waves. For example, pulsars emit radio waves that can be translated into sound, giving us eerie echoes of the cosmos. These sounds tell us stories about the massive explosions of supernova and the swirling gas clouds of distant galaxies. Imagine the universe singing a cosmic symphony. If you're fascinated by this mysterious melody of the universe, drop a comment below and share this mind-blowing fact with your friends.